something from Allah, but they were gifted not only to memorize and remember things, they knew long passages as soon as a passage was revealed. To this date, or to this day, those who do not contaminate themselves with the new mobile phones and the new technology memorize many more phone numbers than those who have. It includes myself and yourselves. Wallahi, without a joke, I think maybe 15 years ago, I must have known 1,000 phone numbers. They used to call me the telephone operator in my own house. Because anyone's number, wallahi, without a joke, anyone's number you wanted to know, they would call me and say, what's this uncle's number? I would tell you, 471-7866, subhanallah. And they would say, oh, this one is the operator. Here's my operator. Wallahi, that was one of the names they had given me when I was young in my own home. I'm talking of my siblings. They must be laughing watching me right now. Allahu Akbar. But the reality is, we knew the numbers, so many. Today, I don't think I know more than 10 numbers. To be honest with you, the number I'm using right now, I have no clue what it is. No clue. So you know that when there is a will, or where there is a will, there is a way. You know that. When you have to do something, you have to do it. This is why sometimes I say, brother, what's your number? And he says, are you writing it down? And sometimes I say, no, I'm just memorizing it. If the person is extremely important, believe me, you're going to memorize that number. You will know it. I know, I spoke to some of the youth, they say, I know my girlfriend's number. What? Yeah. I hope you heard what I said. Allahu Akbar. Why? Because to them that's VIP. Forget about the double V that we have today. No. I'll never ever get the chance, to know this again. I've just got this number. Allahu Akbar.